For your protection, move to an interior room. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Grady County in central Oklahoma, Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, eastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, McLean County in central Oklahoma, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles northeast of El Reno to near Bridge Creek to 5 miles northeast of Agawam, moving east-northeast at 55 miles an hour. Winds of 60 to 70 miles an hour will be possible along this line of storms. The most significant hail will be from Amber to Blanchard to Norman. Expected hazards include tennis ball-size hail and 70 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Oklahoma City, Norman, Edmond, Moore, Midwest City, Del City, New Castle, Blanchard, Purcell, Yukon, Bethany, Mustang, Choctaw, War Acres, The Village, Noble, Tuttle, Piedmont, Hara, and Slaughterville. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a flash flood warning for eastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, northern Grady County in central Oklahoma, northwestern McLean County in central Oklahoma, Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, east central Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain approaching the metro area. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 3 inches in 2 hours. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Oklahoma City, Norman, Edmond, Moore, Midwest City, Del City, El Reno, Chickasha, New Castle, Blanchard, Yukon, Bethany, Mustang, Choctaw, War Acres, The Village, Noble, Tuttle, Piedmont, and Hara. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 102 and 146. Interstate 44 between mile markers 84 and 151. Interstate 40 between mile markers 118 and 172. Interstate 240 between mile markers 1 and 16. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in